No.
You didn't say action.
Action.
Oh, I like it when you say action. Makes me feel like I'm in the movies. This is my favorite new bike in the shop right now. This is a 2020 Road Glide Special, and it's had the coolest stuff done to it. It's got these custom wheels. I don't know whose wheels these are. I should find that out before I say that. Footboards, shifter pegs, 14-inch ape hangers. But wait, there's more. This thing has got full-on adjustable air ride suspension, front and rear. Yeah, how cool is that, right? Onboard compressor to pump everything back up again. Set the ride height wherever you're happy with it. Just a really awesome bike. I love the feel. The bars fit just right. It's got a badass look to it. It's got a stage 2 torque cam. Great sounding pipes. Custom seat, the rear bars. I love these little fancy latches on the bag too. Something a little special there. Docking hardware set up for a sissy bar for your chick. Stage 2 performance bike. Really nice piece of machinery, beautiful color. And you can own this bike yourself for only $29,995 plus tax, license, freight prep, and undercoating. This is my favorite new bike in the whole shop right now. This is a 20-something Road Glide. What is this? Hang on, I don't remember. Hey, don't hassle the talent. We're very sensitive. It's got these custom wheels. I don't know whose wheels these are. I should find that out before I say that. Cut, pause. Can we look? Can we see? Do we know whose wheels are these? Does anyone here know? Oh, you're just still recording. Okay. It's got these nice little latches.
Can I get you to go run to the store and give me some hamburger
You're
buns?
now in the film.
Oh.
Action. These things happen. It's live. Well, it's recorded live.